Hi guys, Darren here. How are you all doing? I've got the V6 here, our latest model. Very similar to the V5, just the difference is it has on all mode. Basically, it simplifies. I see this way, it simplifies settings for you to search amongst trashy ground, highly mineralised ground, faster recovery. You know, because what the BLISSTOOL will do, it will go very deep. And if you don't know how to contain the depth of this, you might struggle in amongst tight areas because the depth is going on a return signal. So what the ORMO basically does, it shallows the machine up. The discrimination base is a little bit stronger, which will help to take out hot rocks and the like. And as I say, because it's going shallower, you get faster recovery speed because of the lesser distance travel. So this is up there with the fastest because it's analog. So this basically, the depths this will be set will be similar to your normal machines, because these are normal machines. So you're going to get instant recovery speed if it's off the top because it's an analog machine. So all in all, it's been shallowed up, which will simplifies the settings instead of bringing the silence in to put the flooring, as I've explained before, and lessen your threshold and all these things, you know. So what basically do, if you've got this ground or park ground or trashy ground, so we'll try and imagine we've got a highly mineralised ground full of iron, coke cans, foils, and in amongst that you want to find bits of jewellery, say hammered coins, copper hammered farthings, you know, thicker coins. But we've got to get through all this trash, so I'll try and show you what this machine can do and how we go about it. So the difference is with the V6 and V5 is basically the ore. It still has the boost over here, which would be all the way around. That would be a boost 7.4. Okay, it has automatic stabilizer. All right, as in the V5, in manual ground balance, you choose your stabilizer through the auto zones, and we recommend 3. Okay, but with this, you don't have to worry about that. You go straight to manual ground balance, and away you go. And the stabilizer will find its own place. So here we go. So we come up to a field today, and in this field, what we have here, for instance, I'll show you some of the obstacles you could face. We have this iron ore. Okay, so we got that all over the place. So we got ore to contend with. Okay, chains, old chains to deal with. We have coke cans, foil. We have these things we need to deal with in this ground. And also, just to wrap things up, we have nails and screws in amongst there. So, in amongst that, say for instance we want to find jewellery, shillings, sticker coins, well, and for instance smaller pieces of jewellery, okay, mimim, small little Roman mimim there, very small. Okay, so we're going to be hunting this very slowly, shallow depth fast recovery in amongst this sort of ground, which is pretty notorious and horrendous. But this is what we're hoping to do, is find this sort of stuff. And in amongst that, we have a chance of finding very thin hammered pennies, very thin copper farthings. Okay, that's in amongst this sort of stuff. So what we've got to do, we've got to try and get that out of the way to find this. Okay, so here we go. This is what the V6 can do. So here we go. So we're shallow searching, fast recovery. We want to take advantage of the ore mode. Okay, so I'm turn on the machine. All right, I've gone. Ore mode is right down to 0 gain. Okay, we need the ground balance of the machine as well. So discrimination level and depth onto 0. You can use this in this ore mode as all metal. But we don't do this because we've got quite a trashy ground. So what we do, we drop discrimination depths down. Now your ground fine in ore mode here is just to set your depth and recovery speed. So you ground balance off your ground rudely. Alright, so basically I put the ground fine on 5. So that's the mid-range. The ground course is actually, we'll start off ground balancing from 0 and bring it up through. So what we want to do, the machine's on, okay, so what we need to do now, we want to get rid of this. Look. Alright, so what we got, turn the volume up big guys. So what we got another piece here, look. Okay, we want to get these out of the way first, but because we're going to count this as mineralisation of the ground, we're going to ground balance this out, hopefully. So, discrimination level and depth on 0. In ore mode, Okay, this discrimination toggle here, the middle, it's B in the middle. I shall show you why. It's magic. Watch this. I'll show you why. So have your discrimination toggle in the middle if you want to get rid of these Coke cans and foils and stuff. All right. Now, so we need to ground balance out the ore. And just do to the threshold on the touch, guys. So we need to ground balance out this ore. All right. So to and from the coil, and we'll be scrolling the ground rudely around until it cancels it out. So to and from, as I scroll up to the plus, we're on about 5 now. Guys, okay, it's gone. If I go past there, it might bring it back in. So that's where it stops. So that one's gone. That's this one gone. Okay, they're both gone. All right, they're gone. So we've taken out the ore. All right, guys. Now we're going to set out this. We set our depth, our detecting depth. I'll use this shilling. Our detecting depth from this shilling will be. I'll just do a bit deeper. That's about 9-10 inches on this shilling. Okay, because remember we want we want quicker response. The further away it goes, the slower it's the further it has to travel back. So that's a good medium. So okay, that's the shilling. Okay, let's try the hammered coin, little hammered, thin hammered. Okay, that's coming in about 6 inches. All right, so that's nice for the quick recovery. So we got that. So what we got now? We got Coke can. All right, we got the foil. All right, we got chains. All right, and we got the nails. You know what they're going to sound the same. So what we're going to do? We're going to bring the discrimination level in. So I'm going to bring my discrimination level. I'm going to take that up to. Just past 3. Okay, guys. My discrimination depth, I'm going to take up to just past 8. Now I'm going to check this out. I'm going to check this out by using the foil. All right. I'm just going to take my disc depth back a touch. Okay, so that's taking out this foil. That's gone. Alright, I'm going to try this can. It's a Coke can, okay? Alright, so I'm going to bring this discrimination depth just back past 8. And the level just up. Alright guys, the can's gone. Okay, the can's gone. Foil's gone. Can for the nails. Okay. Gone. Okay. Chain. Gone. I don't know. Gone. Okay guys, now. Jewelry. Cross. Lovely. Coke can. And that's face on. That's with the ring pull pointing there, look guys. Coke can gone. Cross in. Okay, I got this shilling found, Coke can, gone. Okay guys, small jewelry. Okay, got the small jewelry, Coke can, gone. Okay, here we go. Linen. Linen, lovely. Coke can, gone. Okay. Little Joey Silver. Okay, guys, it's slight scratching that, so I'm just going to drop my discrimination level on a little bit. Here we go. There we are. Okay, Coke can. Coke can still gone. Alright guys. Now we have a really thin copper farthing. Alright, see how that does. No problem. Coke can. Coke can gone. Right, this is something I never thought I'd ever see. Alright, really thin hammered penny. Right, she's falling apart, it's so thin. Alright, watch this. Watch Coke can. Now, I've just shown you some of the advantages of the O mode, used right, set your discrimination, follow it up to your thinnest coin and your biggest object. Watch what happens if I take this toggle. This is your size set, and watch this now into 2. Watch this Coke can. Watch the foil. Watch this, back into 1. Watch. Look. Look, guys, okay? This toggle 1, this sort of ground, you'll take this size targets out for you if you don't want them, because you're shallow searching, rapid response to get in amongst all the smaller bits. This will punch through highly mineralized ground like nothing else will. So what we have here now, we have a super fast recovery because the base level has been set, the depth allows you to come back quicker. 2 cars 100 miles an hour, one's 20 miles to travel, the other's 40 miles to travel, exact same speed. You know the one that's got 40 miles, another 20 miles to travel, it's going to take that much more time to come back. So by setting the distance this is travelling now, you're seeing if it's true speed that it has. So I hope this has helped to show you one of the benefits of the V6. Lovely machine. I can't wait to go out in the field and show you more videos, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Speak to you soon. Thank you.